Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video, or actually this is a series where I'm going to cover some of the Sri Lankan stocks, and obviously this will be in tranches. So probably what I can do here, I will go with 5 stock in one go for a single video. So in first video, and the first stock that we are going to cover in this series is ACL Plastics PLC. Now if you are looking at this trend, this is a long term chart and there has been a very sharp uptrend. Although there are peaks and troughs, the stock is moving up and down, but we need these kind of stocks. We need the stocks where you will have a superb momentum. And if you are looking at this chart, so I will try to explain the charts in a very simple way, and we will have all the support and resistance level. But because it's a monthly chart, so probably it may look bigger on both the sides if you are talking about the support as well as the resistance. So don't be alarmed, there is nothing to worry about. So what we have here in terms of, so this is pretty much about the trend. As you can see, you will have your big support at 171 and you will have your final support at 91.38. But because this stock has been moving with quite a sharp momentum, and probably it is near to its lifetime high, and once it crossed its first target, which is 387.29, it will again be a open territory. But the bigger target that we are looking here will be in between 567 and 735. We are using a range because we don't know whether the stock will go straight or it will bend a bit, it will correct and then started going. So there are lots of things which you are going to look at this particular stock. So this is the first stock, which is ACL Plastics. Now the second stock that we are going to discuss here is Amaya Leisure, right? And if you are looking at the long term chart of Amaya Leisure PLC, you will see the overall trend is range bound, right? Which means I will tell you that in a range bound pattern, if you are following my channel, range bound pattern are very easy to understand first of all, but they only have I would say the negative point is we generally don't go beyond the range. But if you are getting good volatility even inside the range, there is nothing to harm, because at the end of the day the only intention we have is to earn money. So what we have here as far as the support level is concerned for Amaya Leisure is in between 16.29 and 12.57, where your immediate support will be at 16.29 and your final support at 12.5. So don't go below 12.5 on the downside. Also, the upside that we are looking at for the time being will be, or will start from 34.57 and it can go up to 42. Okay, so this is the current range that we are looking at. So on the downside you have a support range in between 12.57 and 16.29. On the upside we have 32, 34.5 and 42. And only if the stock makes a breakout above 42 and sustain above that, then we will have our next big target, which will push the price towards 61 or 62. But this level is completely conditional and only gets activated above 42. So this is the chart or the second company called Amaya Leisure. Now the third company that we are going to look at here will be Ambion Holding PLC. Now if you are looking at this I would say mega chart, why I'm saying mega chart is because the way the stock has moved from 2000, the low of 2004 to the till the high of 2010, it has given a return worth 9999.39, or you may call it as a 10,000% mover. And after that it's been consolidating after the correction. Is been consolidating for the last 1 decade. Okay, for the last 1 decade it's been consolidating over here. Let me show you the trend. So this is the lower end of the range, but now if you are looking at the upper end of the range, you will see there is a breakout. Okay, and this breakout is very important, because once we have these kind of breakouts, we have a far bigger move in the upcoming weeks and months. So if you are looking at the chart of Ambion Holding PLC, what you can see on the downside, you have your stop loss in between 9.77 and 7.97, and the immediate resistance, immediate support, beg your pardon, the immediate zone of support is in between 17.5 and 19.9. But because the stock has already crossed both this level and currently quoting above 19.9 or 20, the levels that we are going to look at will be, or will start with, here we are, we'll start with 59.65. Then we have the next target of 126.5 and the bigger target of 193. So this is what we are looking at in the long-term chart of Ambion PLC Holdings in the upcoming weeks, months and probably years. Now the fourth chart that we are going to look at here will be Bairaha Farms, BAIRAHA. Now if you are looking at the long-term chart of Bairaha Farms PLC, although you will see a kind of a range bound trend, but this range, let me tell you, if works out, or if works out good, then you won't regret it. That's the thing. So let's understand the current range, then we are going to discuss about the bigger trend. Now we have seen that from the lows of 2008 to the highs of 2010, it moved around 7,000%, and after that from the highs of 2011 till 2012 it falls down, and for the last 8 or 9 years it's been consolidating. So the range that we are looking at right now is 106 as your stop loss. Don't go below 106, and on the upside you will have two levels to look at for the time being, and it will start with 186 or 187 and can go up to 240. Once the stock, because 240 was the big high that the stock has visited in the year 2015, so only if the stock makes a move above 240 and sustain above that, we will have bigger move, and it will push the price towards the high of year 2010, which will be around 500. Okay, so this level is completely conditional. We are in a consolidation zone, and first of all we are not going below 106. We will look for two specific target for the time being, 186, 87 and 240, 241. Once the stock makes a breakout and sustain above 241, we will have a bigger target of 513 or 514. So this is the fourth stock called Bairaha, BAIRAHA, Bairaha Farms PLC. Now the last stock, at least for this session, is CW Mackey PLC, CWMACKIE. Okay, CW Mackey PLC. And if you are looking at this chart, I like the construct of this chart very much, because you will get your swing, and the way the stock has been moving, it is giving you an indication that probably there are bigger trends that are yet to be seen in this particular stock. So what we can do here, we will wait for the stock, because the upside that we are looking here, let me first adjust this chart a bit. Okay, so this is the range. So here we are. Okay, so this is the level of support and on the upside we have, for the time being, we will have our target at 127, and our support will be at, so we need to adjust a bit more, at 43. So don't go below 43, and what we are looking here will be 127.83 or 128. And once the stock makes a breakout above 128 and sustain above that, so this is conditional chart, and this is simply because of the trend we have here right now or in front of us for the long term. So what we have here, so if you are looking at this chart, what you can see here, once the stock sustain above 128, then you will have your big target, which will be in between 400 and 550. As I told you, we don't know whether any stock will move like this, or it will go like this or this. We don't know. That's why we have taken a range, and this range is completely conditional and only open up beyond 128, and with a stop loss of 43. Don't go below that. We will first look at a target of 127, 128. Now these are all the 5 stocks for this session. So there are a couple of things which you need to understand, that trends won't work out in a single day. Obviously these are bigger trends. It will take its own time, and not each and every stock will go with same momentum. Some will go up, some will go down. There are very few instances, because each and every stock has its own trend, its own industry, its own sector. So each and every stock is individual, and it will move out, or it will work out in its own cycle, in its own time. Okay, so but the important thing is, we need to understand the trend, and the trend must have potential to move up. It is not like we can go and chase any stocks, or we can put money anywhere and we are expecting returns now. No, it's not the case. We will have enough data to give us a sense that what's actually going on over a period of time. When I'm saying over a period of time, at least 5, 6, 7, at least 5 to 10 years of data, right? So this is what we are looking at as far as the session is concerned, and as far as the stocks is concerned. And this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.